For hike of the week, we're in North Carolina at Sawmill Gap. And we had some snow a couple of nights ago that's still here. But the temperature is warming up. It's about 40 degrees right now, I believe. A little bit of a breeze. We're going to hike from Sawmill Gap up to Wayah Bald. We'll start out on the Bartram Trail that will join in with the Appalachian Trail further up the trail. It's another great day for a hike. Starting out pretty deep snow right in here. Some of the drifts here are 6 or 8 inches deep after 2 days. Snow was 2 nights ago. Finally on the sunny side, and the snow has burned off. And now back into the snow. And I hear the wind blowing. Still in the snow. Working our way on up. Still on the Bartram Trail. In one of the grassy fields.
Down here near the intersection of these 2 roads. Have you been up? You've been up here. You remember that house?
Yeah.
When we come up.
Well, we've made it up to Wayah Bald. We see all the burnt, scorched trees. So we'll walk up the asphalt trail to the tower. See the remains up there.
Yeah, this is the highest burn we've seen.
Yeah, they came along here and they cut out all this stuff. That's for fire break.
Really can see the damage of the fires on the rhododendrons. Lost all their leaves and they're scorched. We doubt they'll ever come back. And a lot of the small trees like out there are gone, and even larger trees totally black to the top. Walking up the approach trail is really devastation. All the way up, trees are scorched all the way to the top. All the rhododendron and mountain laurel are burnt. On top of the tower now. See all the wooden beams that supported the roof are burned. Signs are all burned up. Sad to see. More trees are gone, so the view is actually better. Beautiful mountain view.
Southbounder. Somebody stayed in here. I went down. Because I saw it.
beautiful lunch spot today.